DocuSign Agreement Desk is your collaborative hub for getting from request to signature faster.
Instead of numerous disorganized emails, chat threads, and scattered files, Agreement Desk gives your team one place to collaborate on, review, and approve every agreement.
Starting a request is easy. Create it directly in Agreement Desk, email a dedicated address, or even begin automatically from a workflow. Once a request is created, you can include the right people, documents, and conversations in one convenient place. Need approvals? Route them to stakeholders, capture decisions, and keep everything visible on the activity feed. When you're ready, send the final documents for signature with DocuSign. With DocuSign Agreement Desk, your team stays aligned because every request, document, comment, and approval lives in one shared view.